Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Recording in progress.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Firman Pribadi, and I would like to present my paper community service about mental health, stress management in adolescent. This is my name Firman Pribadi, and the other is my colleagues. We are from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, and our mitra is Madrasah Muallimat Yogyakarta. And this is the picture of the activity, and we have upload our video about mental health series and this activity in Madrasah Muallimat Yogyakarta. And this is the introduce. This community service program is a response to the Ministry of Health basic health research data in 2018, which revealed the prevalence of depression in Yogyakarta city at 5.83% in the population aged 15 years and over, with the age group between 15 until 20 years as the most affected segment. This activity was designed to address the lack of information and reduce the stigma associated with depression through educational and outreach methods. This initiative integrates the use of attractive video as the main media in counseling, psychoeducative method, peer counselor training, and the digital platform. The creatively designed attractive video aims to convey information about depression in an interesting way that can be easily understood by adolescents. This activity aims to increase awareness and understanding of mental health, with a focus on depression among adolescents, especially in Madrasah Aliyah Muallimat Yogyakarta. The contribution of this community service is to provide understanding and awareness of mental health with a focus on depression among adolescents. Then the result of this community service provide school with stress management modules and the mental health series video. This is our methodology. We have 5 stages, and the first stage is preparation stage, and every stage we have sub stage. And then the second stage is implementation stage, and then the third is about technology implementation stage, and the fourth evaluation and monitoring phase, and the fifth output development stage. And this is the result from our pre and post test questionnaire on increasing awareness on mental health disorder. From the table, we can see that the participant understanding of stress before and after being given knowledge about the stress has changed, where the average result of participant understanding before participating in community service is the lowest average understanding of 3.80 and the highest average of 4.67. So this result is lower than average result after the participant participated in the community service activity, whereas the with lowest average value of 7.20 and the highest average 7.82. And then this is the result of participant response test in overcoming problem, and we have our two colors, orange and blue. Orange is class 11 and the blue is class 10. So the result of the coping test show that 20% and 33% of class 10 and the class 11 students were less calm in the coping with problem, and as many as 80% and 63 of the class 63% of the class 10 and 11 students are calm enough in overcoming problem. So this is the conclusion for our result. Based on the result above, it appears that the participant Madrasah Muallimat Yogyakarta student have improved their understanding of stress based on the result of the pre and post test questionnaires. The result of the problem solving response test show that class 10 had better result than class 11. The result of the coping response that show that 20% and 33% of class 10 and the class 11 student were less calm in coping with the problem, and about 80% and 63% of class 10 and class 11 students are calm enough in overcoming problem. So from the result of this test, it appears that there are no students in both class 10 and class 11 who are calm in dealing with a problem. So from the result of the test, it can be concluded that an understanding of stress is important for students because there are students who are less calm in dealing with a problem. We hope that after this community service activity, students can manage their stress well, so that with good stress management, students can turn into stress into positive stress and direct their stress to improve their achievement. This is acknowledgement. This community service funded by LP3M Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, and we would like to thank for LP3M UMI and Madrasah Aliyah Mu'alimat Yogyakarta as a place of this community service. This is our reference and this is our slide. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.